Okay, how the hell do I enable this again? Oh, totally forgot. Browser. ZCash. Okay. Okay, we have a live stream showing how Zcash is performing, and we actually have one trade over here that was triggered at 326. And what I found is that I was missing trades from Kraken. So I added trades from Kraken, and they're supposed to be showing up right here, but I'm actually not seeing them. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go to my previous trader, which is 5100, and here we can see all the Kraken trades. Look at that. So Kraken and Coinbase is selling quite a bit of stuff. We have whales. Look at that, lots of whales. I mean, oh my God. So what's going to happen here is this price is going to go down probably soon. However, we're in it to win it, right? So I can tell that just based on all these whales and the krakens, the red krakens, they're all sales. You can see that here. So this price is going to go down very quick. Um, so what we'll probably do is we're going to pick up on the maximum. Maximum value was 333.08. So here, this price right here is just barely visible. Let's see if I can make this any better. So 333 is the highest price, and ever since it hit that, it's going down by just $1. And you can see all of these red trades over here are basically triggering because they're now taking profit. So just by $1, yeah. So what I'm probably gonna do is, since I have it set up to sell when it drops down $2 from the high price, trailing stop USD, we're gonna do. Let's look what I have on maximum. Why don't I have actual any fish here? So we have a stop loss $5, but this bot is currently not running. It is running. I want to stop this because this is going to cost me too much money. So we have the new trader, which is called Maximus, but I'm just testing this compared to this, where we have these Kraken and the whales taken over very quickly after a quick rise to 333 and now sitting at 331. Probably going to see a lot of sales here. So I'm going to look for, there's vise, whales, and what do we see here? We have 140, which is 3 minutes ago, $9,000, $7,000, $6,000, and $16,000. Three trades right here, all within the last, what is it, 10 minutes, 13 minutes? And then we have these sells, and they're all happening at 142 right now, so 2 minutes ago, and all of these triggered at 140. Look at that, all of these. Oh my God, that's a lot of sales. I'm actually shocked that it survived at 331. So this is how ZCash actually performs. So what we're going to do here is going to look at a stop loss, which is 2 below, trailing stop and this $2. So if it goes down to 331, this position will liquidate. So let's see if that happens. gonna actually start this. And oops, not this one. Gonna stop this one. No. Sorry. This is the one to do it. Okay, so we're gonna say do this. It is locked. And I'm gonna look at the other one, which is stop loss of $5 from entry, which is, for my taste, that's low. Whale trailing stop is 5, so I don't like that. That's too short. And we're actually gonna stop this bot right now. I need to reset this. Reset this to yep, look at that. Okay, so at 331, this position has closed, and now I have kept my, what is it, $6 gain on that particular trade, which is exactly what I wanted to have. And that was with a trailing stop of $2. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna wait for this to go down again, because it will, because of these lovely red trades, and then buy again. Let's look at the Solana. That's not looking good, actually. We have too much money lost here, like $300. There's a stop set up for, I think, 1.5. So it's actually kind of close to that. With 1.5 trailing stop. So if it's reaching the peak of 87.10 minus 1.5, that's 86, 85.8 roughly. But actually, no, I did start this. Look at that. I'm gonna stop this because Solana is going to recover. We're not gonna sell at 1.5. We're gonna wait for this to bounce to 86 and then sell it. So let's see, what does it say? 506, yeah. Thank you very much, because we lost way too much on this. But here now we basically reached the 33 peak, went down $2 and sold it. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna wait for the buys again. So let's do both. And as we can see, we have Kraken and Coinbase. Kraken is actually doing quite a bit of sales at 333. That's, wow, that's interesting. And then the last whale sale at the Coinbase, which was just 2 minutes later, it already hit 331. So we got a $1.5 loss in just a couple of minutes. And that's what this coin is really good at. It keeps going up and down. So I'm actually waiting for this to stop. So let's see, we're going to do a screen reduction here. We have no positions. We have positions here, but we're not going to sell them. We have simulated positions here. We're down on Bitcoin. We're simulated position on Ethereum. Actually, none. One. We're down on that one. So this is why I'm just simulating this one. I don't trust Ethereum or Bitcoin. Neither one of these have been great. So this one, it has stopped. And yeah, it's It's clearly going down now, 331. So we're gonna be hitting another whale system probably when it gets to 222 maybe. We'll buy again. I'll try to buy more because right now I just bought only 6 coins. I didn't trust it, so I'm gonna start this bot here to wait for the drop. Making sure this is not running. This is, simulated, and this one here is not running because this one was causing trouble for me. It was buying, and immediately as after the buy, it would lose money, so that was not good. So I came up with this one here, and then additionally this one. But this one here, I noticed that I'm not able to reset these, so I'm gonna have to change that because I don't like that. So, well, actually I can do it right here. So we can do stop loss. We're gonna do $2. That's $2 below price that we paid. Take profit is $15. Trainings, we're gonna do just like $3 on that, and save and restart. We can unlock this, and now we have a running bot that's actually gonna be doing additional trades for me when it gets lower. All right, this is all I wanted to stream today.